Good morning, students. How are you? Fine. Studying at home? Yes? Okay. So, we were discussing caring for others, isn't it? Caring for others. How Vikram was very much caring of his grandfather, and grandfather, how Vikram has celebrated with the help of his parents, how Vikram has celebrated his grandfather's birthday, and his grandfather told him that I will take you to a new place, and in the next morning where they have gone to a new place, and the place was an old age home, isn't it, where so many old people are living together. After going to that place, what Vikram decided that every week he will go there with his friends. While seeing Vikram there, old people felt very happy, and like that only Vikram also felt very happy, and he helped them in different activities like reading the newspaper and giving the medicine, different activities. Like that only when he went with his friends also, enjoyed there very much, and they also helped these old people in different activities, isn't it? Now, when they are coming back from their old age home, what they found? They met Mithali. They met Mithali. They met Mithali on the road. What was Mithali doing? Mithali was helping the girl. By how Mithali was helping the girl? Mithali was helping the girl to cross the road. Why Mithali was helping that girl to cross the road? Because that girl was blind. Now what do you mean by blind? Blind means the persons that are not able to see with their eyes. They are known as blind. Okay, blind means the persons that are unable to see with their eyes. They are known as blind. Okay, so Mithali was helping that girl because she was blind. Clear? Now, so these blind people, how they will study, how they will read the books? How? Do you know how they will read, or they will not read? How? They will read? Yes, they will read with the help of one script. The name of that script is Braille. What that script is known as? That script is known as Braille script. Okay? Braille script. With the help of that script, they will be able to read. Okay? So, what is that script? That script is written on a sheet. Okay, that script is written on sheet, and in that sheet alphabets and numbers, all these are written in that sheet, and the numbers and the alphabets are written on a higher level, and with the help of their fingers they used to read that alphabets and numbers. Okay, for them only this script has been invented. For blind people, this Braille script has been invented to read. Okay, so the name of the script is Braille script, and it is written on the sheet on a higher level, and with the help of their fingers they used to read this numbers and alphabets. Okay, and who has invented this script? Louis Braille, who himself was blind. He was also blind, so he invented this script for other blind people. Okay, so that they can read. Clear? So the name of the script is Braille. And who invented this script? Louis Braille, who himself was blind, to read all the blind people, he invented this script, and the name of the script is Braille. Okay, so Mithali told many more interesting things. After when they were going to home, Mithali told many different interesting things related to this blind people. He told many different things to his friends. Why he told? Why she told? Because she was having a friend. She was having a friend who is blind, and so with that interaction, she told many different things to his friends. She shared many different things of blind people to his friends. Okay, now let us read okay, so to read to the blind people to read. So what script has been invented? That script is known as Braille script. Okay, now suppose if we are suffering from fever, so what happens? Yes, our parents, they used to take care of us, isn't it? They used to take more care of us. They used to call doctor, they used to give us medicines in proper time, proper diet, isn't it? So they take care of all these things, isn't it? If we are suffering from fever or any sick, if we are sick, so they used to take more care of us. And like that not only for us, in our family members, any family members like father, mother or grandfather, grandmother, anyone is sick. So what we used to do? We used to take more care of them. We should give them medicines in proper time. We should give them proper diet. We should be in regular contact with the doctor, isn't it? Clear? So like that only in our home, if there are old people, so who is in our home? Who is old people? Our grandfather and grandmother. So suppose they are sick, so what we have to do? We should take more care of them, giving medicines in proper time, taking their proper, we should pay more attention towards their proper health, proper diet. We should be regular contact with the doctor, isn't it? Related to the treatment. Clear? Till sick, isn't it? So we should be more attention. We should be more attentive towards our grandfather and grandmother. Why? Because they are old. They need more support and care from our side. Like when we are sick, we also need more support and more care from our parents. Like that only old people, when they are becoming old, they need our support and more care, affection, attention, everything they need more. So we should help always. We should help them always. Okay? Understood? Okay. Now take out your social studies book, open it and take out page number 32. Okay? Let us discuss more about this. Okay, so for that, take out your social studies book first. Taken out. Now take out, open it and take out page number 32. This page number 32. Okay. Now what you have to do? You have to keep your finger on your book and you have to read along with me. Okay. Till here we have done in the last class. Now we are going to start from here. Okay. Now, after helping the girl cross the road, Mithali told her friends many interesting things. She told them that Sanu, her friend who could not see, was very fond of reading. She reads books in Braille. Braille is a form of writing with raised letters on a sheet. People who cannot see feel the raised letters on the sheet with their fingers. In this way, they are able to read. As we had already discussed that while going, Mithali told many interesting things. Why? Because she is having a friend who is blind. Blind means who is not able to see, and that friend, that Sanu, and what was the name of that friend? That name, the friend's name was Sanu, and she was very fond of reading. Reading means she was very interested in reading. But how she will read? She is blind. How she will write? With the help of this braille script. With the help of this braille script, she used to read lot of books. Okay, so it is written on a sheet with raised. Raised means on a heavy, on a higher level. Okay, on a higher level it has written on a sheet, and they used to keep fingers on that sheet, and with the help of that they used to read the letters and numbers, alphabets and numbers. Like in your book it has given, see, braille script. This is known as braille script. Alphabets and number both are given. See, A1, B2, like alphabets A to Z it has given, and from 1 to 10 it has 1 to 0 it has given. Okay, so this is known as braille script. With the help of this they are able to read. Okay, now take out your pencil and underline. Okay, take out your pencil and underline this word raised, R-A-I-S-E-D, raised. Raised, R-A-I-S-E-D, raised. Okay, underline this word raised. Raised means to increase the amount or level higher, that is known as raise. Okay, okay, to increase the amount or level higher, that is known as raise. So write the meaning. So understood what is braille script? Braille script is written on a sheet with higher level, and with the help of their fingers they are able to read these alphabets and letters. Okay, now, and who has invented this braille script? Here it is given, star fact. Okay, so let us read. Louis Braille, who himself was blind, invented the braille script. So he himself was blind, so for the other blind people he invented this script and named and the name was braille script. Okay, so this is known as braille script. Clear? Okay, now let us continue. Okay, you have written the meaning now. Those who have not written, write it down. Written? Okay, now we know that a sick person needs love and constant encouragement from his or her family members. A person who is sick should take rest in a comfortable place where plenty of fresh air and light are available. As we had already discussed that in our home, to anyone, to any of our family members, if they are sick, what they need more care and support of our family members, isn't it? If suppose our father is sick, so what he needs more attention, more care and more support from us. Okay, and those persons, those who are sick, and those who are sick, what they need? They need fresh air, and the room should be light. There in the room there should be light. No, the room should not be dark. Okay, the room should be light, and means it should be lighted, and they should get fresh air. Okay, now underline this word comfortable. C-O-M-F-O-R-T-A-B-L-E, comfortable. Okay, underline this word comfortable. You have written this meaning now. Now, comfortable. Comfortable means making one feel physically and mentally relaxed. That is known as comfortable. Okay, making one feel physically and mentally relaxed. That is known as comfortable. So write the meaning. Okay, written. Now, comfortable means making one feel physically and mentally relaxed. So, the sick person should be free, and he or she would get fresh air, and the room should be lighted. Okay. Then, Sumit's grandfather was suffering from fever for the last few days. Sumit always gave him a healthy treat. Sumit used to cover his grandfather with a blanket. He also used to measure his fever with the help of a thermometer. So see how Sumit is taking care of his grandfather, isn't it? Yes, he is giving him healthy food. Then he used to cover his grandfather with a blanket, and he used to measure his fever with the help of thermometer. Then Sumit remained in contact with a doctor as long as his grandfather was ill, and he was in regular contact with the doctor also. He always used to give him medicine and food on time. Thus, like Sumit, we should always take care of a sick person. Like Sumit only, we have to also take care of our family members, isn't it? Whether he is father or mother, grandfather, grandmother, anyone, we should always take care of them. Isn't it? If they are sick, we should give them proper attention. We should pay more attention, and we should take care of them by giving proper medicines in time, by paying more attention in their healthy diet, by regular contact, keeping regular contact in doctor. Isn't it? So all these things like Sumit has done, we have to also do like this only. We should always help the needy and the sick person. Okay. Now see, in one picture has given, see in this picture what it has shown, sick person with an attendant. See, this person is taking care of this old man, sick person. Attendant means like nurse, taking care, someone is taking care of the old people or sick people. They are known as attendants. So see how he is giving food to that old man or the sick person. So like this we have to also, what we have to do, we have to also help the needy and sick people. Okay, and we should always take care of a sick person. We should be always kind to everyone. Okay, clear? We should be always kind to everyone. We should always help our old people. We should always take care of a sick person. Okay, and we should always take care of the old people also. Understood? Okay. Now take out next page, page number 33. Page number 33. And in this, here one box is given. In that box, what it has written, check your knowledge. So we are going to do this one. Okay, so first blank. Dash is a system of language that is used by blind people to read and write. Which system is used? Yes, Braille script. Which system? Braille script is used to read and write for whom? To the blind people. Okay, so Braille script is a system of language that is used by blind people to read and write. Now the second blank is, a dash person needs medicines to recover from illness. Who needs? Which person needs medicines to recover from his illness? Which person? Sick person. Which person? The person, those who are sick. They need medicines, isn't it? Yes, so note it down. So I hope all of you have understood this much. The persons, those who are blind, they use which type of script to read and write? They use Braille script to read. They use Braille script to read and write. And which person needs more attention? For which person we need? Which person need more attention and care? Everything. Which person? Sick persons, isn't it? Sick persons, they need more attention and care from us. Okay, so we should always take care of sick person and the needy persons. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day.